out what is logical reasoning. Logical reasoning, here, if you can think about anything, okay, if you are able to think clearly, you are able to solve your problem, and you are a good decision maker, it means you are very good in reasoning, right? You are very good in reasoning. It is very, very important for a students like you. Okay, everyone? So you know what is the use of reasoning in your life?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that you will take decisions of your life, right? It enhances problem solving. There is a lot of different type of questions. You are able to understand if you know the reason behind it. It creates it will boost your creativity. You are able to know, ma'am, I can solve this question by this method. It boosts your creativity because there is a lot of solution to one single problem, right? Correct? Let's suppose you want to go upstairs, right? You can go by lift as well. You can go by taking stairs as well. It is the reason. Okay, so you can take your choice. Okay. So next is improves learning. You are able to make the decisions. It builds confidence. It is used in your daily life as well. So today we are in for grade 4 reasoning. So we have a lot of chapter for that. One of them is a mirror image, coding, decoding, analogy and classification, direction sense, geometrical shapes and embedded figure, pattern, puzzle set, calendar, ranking, a lot of. Today I'm going to take one chapter, mirror image. Can anybody tell me what is mirror image? Okay. Everybody, tell me, have you seen yourself in mirror? Ara?
Yes,
When you're going to a party, right? And you're wearing a new dresses. So do you just look at the mirror or not?
you look at the mirror.
Yes. How are you looking then? Right? Yeah. That is image of you. Okay? So just like image of a man, if I'm just looking at the mirror, how I'm look alike? That is my mirror image. Clear? And let's suppose I'm standing on a swimming pool. How I am looking in the water. That is my water image. Look at the water just like this bird. Okay. This is the water image. Okay. So today I'm going to take this topic, mirror image and water image. Mirror image means just like she's a girl. She's a lady. If you see how she's looking at the mirror, okay, that is mirror image of her. So it means it is a reflection. Okay. Whatever the distance she has taken from mirror, the same distance she has taken from here. Okay. The image is literally inverted, which implies means size of the image should be equal to size of the object, but direction will be interchanged. If you see better, there is a dot and there is one ray. How it look like here? The dot, whatever the distance gap is there, same distance is there. You will see here, and that arrow will come here. If you see, direction is changed. Rest of the things are same. Clear? This is your image of. If you see, there is this thing. And if I have to find mirror image of that, it would be like this thing. Clear, everyone? Clear? Mirror image clear? Arav, Nishtha, Mansi?
Yes, ma'am.
Any of the student who is not able to understand? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see how letters look alike. How can A look alike in a mirror? It will be same. How will B look alike? It will be like this one. I have to change the direction. Clear, everyone? Mansi, Arav, Manu, clear? Nishtha? C. How will C look alike? Like this one. D. How will it look alike? This one. Nishtha, any problem? Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
How will E look alike if you see there? This line will same here. That this will open to just like they are facing each other. Okay. it will look alike, just they are facing each other. If you see there, F, so they are look alike like this one, right? G, so they are look alike like this one. Everyone, can you write the mirror image of H? Mirror image of H. Yes. Yes, it will be same. Very good. Mirror image of I.
Ma'am, same.
Same.
It will also.
Mirror image of J, Mansi.
Ma'am, one is right side, one is left side.
Yes, very good. Mirror image of K. Manu, Mansi, Arav, you have to also reply Arav. Am I correct, Arav? For K?
Yes, ma'am.
J, K, L. Arav, how it look like for L?
अभी मुझे बताइए अगर वो मजबूत के होटल में काम करेगी तो वो रोज घर से वहां तक तो ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकती वो पॉसिबल नहीं है
How will mirror image of M?
Teacher, it will be the same.
Yes. How will mirror image of N?
Teacher, it will also.
Correct or not? Arav, Mansi, Manu, Stop.
कितना अच्छा लगा
Please everyone mute yourself. Mirror image of O. Mirror image of O.
Teacher, O will be the same.
Mirror image of P.
Ma'am,
Teacher, it will be different.
Yes. Because direction will change, right?
yes, ma'am.
Mirror image of R. It will be like this one. S. It will be like this one.
Ma'am, different.
T. Mansi. Mirror image for T. Mansi, Manu, Arav, Nishta.
It will be the same.
U will also same. V will also same. W will also same. X will also same. Y will also same. And Z will like this one. My question is that how many letters will have same mirror image? Then what will be your answer? 1, 2, 3,
5, 6,
4,
7, 8, 9, 10. Ma'am, 10 no.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I have a question for you. You have to write your name, okay, and find the mirror image of your name. Just like I'm writing here Mansi. Capital letters. After that, I'm writing Arav. After that, I have to write Nishtha. Please check your spelling as well. Okay. Nishtha, am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Manu. Okay, let's write your mirror image of your name only. You have to write mirror image of your name only. I will ask you to show me your notebooks. Okay.
Write properly. What the hell is it? Need to.
When you are done, let me know.
Teacher, I have completed.
Okay, Arav, show me your notebook, please. Okay, Arav, I can see something. I will write and you can just cross check with you. Yes. Okay, Arav. Yes, other students. Nishtha, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm just writing. Mansi mein M remains same, A remains same, N will become this one, S will become this one, I is this. So I think Mansi is not here. Arav. Yes, yes, Nishtha. Nishtha, I'm writing and now you have to cross check with me. Okay? A, R is like this one, A is like this one, B is this one. Arav, are you correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Nishtha, tell me about N, Nishtha. Is it correct for you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
S, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
H, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
T. Nishtha, your name is really very easy. Only 2 letters you have to make it rare. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Same. Manu. Manu, M remains same, A remains same, and U remains same. Clear, everyone? Any doubt? How to find the mirror image? Everyone? Arav, Nishtha, Manu, Divanshi. Clear? How to write the mirror image, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Like this, we have a mirror image of small letters, numbers, and many more things. Right? We can find the mirror image of pictures as well. Right? One more thing you have to keep in mind. Let's suppose anything is like this one. So when you are finding the mirror image, it will be inverted. It should be like this one. Am I correct? Right or wrong, everyone? Manu, Divanshi, Ishta, Arav, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Talking about alphabets, it's like A, so it will be like this one. Like this, if we have a B, it should be like this one. C, it will be like this one. If you see that D, it should be like this one. E, it should be like this one. F, it should be like this one. Okay, so they are inverted, beta. Just like I have to change the direction here. Perpendicular distance means gap between you and your mirror should be same from the gap between you and your image. Clear? So like this, how many letters will have same mirror image? I, L, O, V, W, X. Clear? Like this, we have a number. 0 remains 0. 1 is like this one. Okay. 2 is like this one. Oh, what I have done. 3 is like this one. 4 is like this one. 5 is like this one. 6 like this one. 7 like this one. 8 like this one. Same. 9 will like this one. If you see there, 8 and 0 have same digits. Same mirror image is clear. Okay. So now we have some example. You have to see the directions. If you see there, your object is like this one. Okay, Nishtha? So what will be the direction of mirror? Direction of arrow. It should like this one. Right or wrong, Nishtha?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Arav, if you have a picture like this one, so it will be just opposite of that. Is this correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If your picture is like this one, Dipal A, yes. Okay. So it will be like this one. If you see their hair direction remains same, beta. Here is this empty portion here. Empty portion will cover this one first. So you have to same like this one. Right? Like this, if we have a rectangle like this one, we have a standing line and sleeping line. So standing will come first, sleeping, then empty. So you have to change the direction. Just like here, it's like this one, so here like this one. If you see there, it is let's suppose it is a 4 o'clock. And if we have to find the mirror image of 4 o'clock, right? So that will be 8 o'clock. Okay, so there is a trick for that. I can teach you for that as well. If black portion is there, here is a black portion. Okay, if these lines are there will be these lines. So let's suppose I told you in the last one, let's suppose you have a 4 o'clock. Here is a 12, right? Here is a 6. Okay, so here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 11. Let's suppose, beta, I have a 4 o'clock. When I have to find its mirror image, it will be just like this one, beta, 8 o'clock. But sometimes it is a difficult to find. So what is the method to do that? You will subtract from the 11:60 or 12 o'clock. 11:60 and 12 o'clock are same. Just like if I will subtract 12 o'clock minus 4 o'clock, you will get 8 o'clock. That's why 8 is my answer for that. Clear? Let's suppose I have a 340. And I have to find mirror image of 340. So what will I do? I have a 11:60. I will subtract 340 from it. Then I will get 820. Okay, let's try this. It is a 12. It is a 6. It is a 3. It is a 9. Right? 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. 340. It is a 3 and it will be generally 340 is just like, let's suppose you are getting there. Okay. When I will find the mirror image of this one, beta, so it will be 820 because in case of 340, it will be nearby to 4. So that's why 820. So when I have to find mirror image of any time, I will subtract it from 11:60. Arav, what is the mirror image of 3 o'clock? Arav, mirror image of 3 o'clock. Arav, can you hear me? You have to unmute yourself.
Teacher, some connective. I'm not able to hear much right now.
Okay. If I'm asking what is the mirror image of 3 o'clock, you have to subtract from 12 o'clock. So mirror image of 3 o'clock will be 9 o'clock. Okay?
Yes.
Nishtha, what is the time right now?
Ma'am,
7:30, right?
7:30.
yes, ma'am.
What is the mirror image of 7:30?
11:60 minus 7.
60.
I told you trick for that, na? You have to subtract from 11:60 minus 7:30. That will be mirror image of 7:30. Tell me.
4:30.
Ma'am, 4:30.
Yes, correct. Very good. Okay. I think Manu's is there or Manu parents are there. Anybody? Okay. So by that way, we can find their mirror image. Now I will tell you a little more about water image. Then we will do some question based on that. Water image, just like, who knows the swimming here? Arav, Nishtha, Manu. Who knows swimming here? Nishtha?
No,
You
ma'am.
know swimming? Nishtha, do you know swimming? Arav? Yes or no?
Ma'am, no.
Okay. If you know swimming or you don't know swimming, let's suppose you are going to a pool. Okay. You are standing on a pool. How, if you look at yourself in the water, how it looks alike, that is your image, water image. Clear? Upper part will become lower part and lower part will become upper part, right? Let's suppose I am standing on a pool. So I am able to see my legs first, then my head behind it. Right? Yes or no, Nishtha, Manu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is my water image. So lower and upper parts interchange their position. Here direction remains same. Left, right remains same. Okay, just like if you see in the about the capital letters, so it's a water image of A will be like this one. Water image of B will be like this one. C will be like this one. D will be like this one because I'm talking about water image. It is up, down. Water image of E should like same. Water image of F should like this one. Right? So what is changing here? In case of mirror image, direction is changing. But here is just like up and down portion is changing. Right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's everyone write your names, water images. Right? Just like I'm writing Arav water image Nishtha,
Do.
and Manu.
You do. Water image. Right here.
Water image, you have to put a line here so that you are able to get where are you writing it. Okay? Air image, Arav. Am I correct or wrong?
Teacher, correct.
Same A, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How will R look like? Like this one or not?
Yes, ma'am. It will look.
A again and V again, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So if you see there, R is the same. Yes, what we have written, that's a correct. Nishtha, let's try your name now. Finish. Okay, tell me. Now you have to tell me, Nishtha. Am I correct? For M?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. C, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm correct for I.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm correct for S.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm correct for T.
Yes, ma'am.
T.
No, I have
No.
written wrong.
Yes, no, ma'am.
I have written wrong intentionally so that I want to see where are you looking at.
T.
T
where?
should be like this one, upside down, right? Yes, Nishtha?
Ma'am, you're spelling wrong.
Okay, what is your spelling? N-I-S.
Ma'am, N-I-S-H.
Okay, I'm writing H here. H remains same. Okay, right? Then H. A correct or wrong?
Yes, ma'am, correct.
Yeah, this is, let's see that. Yes, we have done it wrong. Correct. Clear. Let's suppose I'm writing Manu. M is correct. It look like W now.
Reverse.
A like this one, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
like this one, U is like this one. Clear? Okay, everyone. So by that way, you can write your water images. Clear? Now, just like we can do water image of small letters, okay, small letters will be same. So what I'm saying here, direction will not change, only up and down portion will change. So if I'm going about A, it will be look like this one. B, it will be look like P. C, same. Gap is there. Look, in case of mirror image, C will look like this one. But in case of water image, C look like this one. So you have to understand what is actually water image, what is actually mirror image. Okay, so it will look like D1, D like this one. E, only we have to do upside down, that's it. F, upside down. Okay, let's suppose I have a person like this one. Then if I have to make a water image, it will look like this one. Right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so water image, just like looking at myself in the water. I'm looking myself in the swimming pool. That's a water image on. Okay, so just like one here, two, like this one, three, like this one, only bigger portion above for this one. Four, it's like this one. Five, it's like this one. Just like we can find mirror image. And everyone, this is your homework as well. Okay, what you have to do? You have to write all alphabets, mirror image and water image. Clear, Nishtha, Arav, Manu?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, let's do some questions of that. Arav, read this question and tell me.
Choose the mirror image of the following combination of alphabets from the 4 alternatives given mirror below.
So, according to you. Yes, everyone, write the mirror image of dream in your notebook.
Right.
Mirror image.
So this one, ma'am.
Arav, you have to tell me the correct answer.
You tell.
Okay.
Okay? Nishtha, write this in your notebook. Manu, if you are there, you can write also. Arav, how will M look alike? Is it same? Look,
Yes, ma'am.
if you see their mirror image, beta, if you see this gap is there. So I will start from the same gap here, M. Okay, whatever the last letter, it will become my first letter. A, it will A. E, it will look like this one, just facing to each other. R, it will look like this one. D, it will look like this one. So tell me which option will be my answer, Ara?
Teacher, option number 3.
Option number 3, MARD. Astha, is he correct? Nishtha, sorry, is he correct?
Mama. No.
No, which option will be your answer?
Ma'am, D.
D?
4.
4. 4 is beta here. If you see there, it is the same beta. It is not a mirror image of D. So, third option is the correct answer for that. Okay, Nishtha? What is the mirror image of D, beta? It will be look like this one, huh?
Reverse.
No, ma'am.
Okay? So, that's why option 3 is the correct answer. Now, everyone, now you have to see where the picture is given. It is given on the right hand side and you have to make the picture on left hand side. Okay. So, Nishtha, you tell me this one now. Yes.
Ma'am, C is the correct answer.
Oh my God. Very good. Okay. If you see there, circle, I will make a circle. Okay. If you see there is a partition, so I will make the partition first, right? Then eyes will be there. Then this will be, lips will be there. Right? So only this option is the correct answer. Very, very good. Manu, are you there? Is parent there or student there? Okay. Arav, you tell me this answer again, beta. Read this question first.
Select the question alternative which represents the mirror image of the given question figure.
So tell me.
Teacher, answer A.
Nishtha, is he correct?
One is there.
Ma'am, yes, sir.
Yes. Blue color is there. So I will shade with the blue color here, right? Oh, okay. I can make you for that blue color. It's just like blue color, right? Okay. And after that, it's a red color. So I will make the red color here. Right, Nishtha? Right, Anna? Very good, all of you. Good job. Okay. So this is my mirror image. That's look like A. Okay. Manu is there? Arav, tell me mirror image of this one now.
Teacher,
Okay.
it will be option D.
Arav,
Teacher, it will be option D.
option D. Very good. If you see, there is an arrow, so I will use the arrows first, right? Like this one, I can make it. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I will make the circle, but there is a circle, I have this type of dent in it. So this will, so if you see this and my image is the same,
Yes, ma'am.
this is mirror image. Next question, Nishtha. This is, read about the question, Nishtha, what they are asking for that. Mirror image or water image?
Select the correct alternative which represents the water image of the given figure.
Given question.
How will look alike? Now tell me, which option can be your answer? You don't need to change the direction. You have to just upside down. That's it.
Water image.
C is the correct. Ma'am, A.
Tell me your answer. No issue. Whether it is wrong or correct, I will make you correct.
Ma'am, it A is the correct answer.
It is the A. Can you tell me the reason?
Tell me.
Correct answer. Why? If you see this rectangle should come. Right? Triangle upside down, so it will be look like this one, like our legs. This will come down, so A option is the correct answer here. Very, very good. Arav, tell me.
You see, water reflection. Ulta, reverse.
Arav,
I got it.
water reflection they are asking for. Water image upside down. Tell me.
Teacher, number 3.
Option
Number 3.
number 3.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
This one. Now this one. Now this one. Now it will be just like this one. Okay. Is he correct? Nishtha,
Tell me.
is he correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So I can show you here this one answer as well. Okay, so you are able to understand there is a S like this one, beta. So it will be look like this one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right or wrong?
That is one you want.
Clear? That's why it is wrong. Clear, everyone? Option 1 will be my answer for that. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes, Nishtha?
Ma'am, I was about to say one. I accidentally told 3.
Okay, no issue. Tell me your answer here. This one is the last question. Tell me your answer, Nishtha.
Water image, reverse.
Water image of lion here. What is
Ma'am,
water
2
image
is
of lion?
the correct answer.
Hmm?
2.
2.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, see properly. Direction will not change.
Direction.
Very good.
Wow.
If you see, it should be like this one. Direction will not change. Face remains at the same one. So that's why this will be correct answer. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a water image. Any doubt, any of the student in a water and water image?
No, ma'am.
Clear?